guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're still talking about lash extensions, lash mapping. So I did a previous video showing you how to map for the doll eye. So now we're going to come to the cat eye. So like I said, you have to basically use your discretion to do your brow mapping. You just need to follow the rule of thumb, which states that you should follow this dimension of brow mapping. So your typical cat eye brow mapping should look like this. You start from the inner corner. We can do 10 millimeters here, and then we move to 11 millimeters, and then we move to 12 millimeters, and then we move to 13 millimeters. You just keep going. Can do 15 here, 16, and then end with 17 millimeters. So this is what a typical cat eye should look like. Start small in the inner corner and build up to the outer corner. So this is the basic one. You can tilt it, you can just do a freestyle. You can start with 10 millimeters, go to 12 millimeters, do 13 millimeters, 14 millimeters. At the inner corner you can do 16 millimeters, then end with 18 millimeters and just add a little bit of 16 millimeters, or you can do 20, depends on whatever you like. The point is to get that long accentuated lash at the end of the eye. So same as well, you can do odd number, even number. Another thing you can do also is the spacing. So for example, transitioning, you can do like a full maybe 18 millimeters, and then come here and do like a little bit of 17, a little bit of 16, and you can do all through this point like maybe 13 and 11. It's just basically up to you guys. You can play with it. Just make sure you understand the eye that your clients have. If they have round eyes, you want to give them that that nice cat eye at the edge. Make it long, make it define the eyes. If they have small eyes, you want to reduce the amount of length so that the lash don't cover the eyes and you don't make it too full. And if they have like doll eyes, you want it to pop at the edge, so you give it like a longer millimeter and also a fuller length at the edge. So basically that's how mapping works, lash mapping works. It's just you knowing the rule of thumb and then tweaking it a little bit. So if you have any question on this cat eye lash mapping, definitely leave that in the comment section. Before you go, subscribe to the channel, okay, so that we can grow, and I also know that you're enjoying what the videos that I'm putting out there. All right, thank you so much. Have a lovely day, guys. Bye.